What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the Other Side of the Firewall podcast, where we talk about the latest and greatest in cybersecurity news, as well as we highlight those movers and shakers and glass ceiling breakers, those people of color who made it to the other side of the proverbial firewall. My name is Ryan Williams, and as always, I'm joined by LeVon Maynard.
What up, what up?
What's going on? And Shannon was unable to make it this week, but we'll see him next week. So definitely continue to tune in. Today's topic, I think, is pretty great. That's a glimpse into the future, right? So yeah, hype it up real quick. But so tune in throughout the week. So Monday and Tuesday we do our topics. Wednesday we do a discussion. I think this week's discussion will be pretty good. And then Thursday's Ask Us SP. I have another guest on this week, Jarvis Bryant, active duty Army, who is trying to break into cyber. Really good episode. So definitely check that out. And then Friday, we have everything else. So we've been watching a lot of movies, playing a lot of games. So it should also be a really good episode. So definitely tune in Monday through Friday, good content, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. So without further ado, the first topic is a ZDNet article entitled, "The U.S. government just launched a big push to fill cybersecurity jobs with salaries to match." So this one is written by Liam Tung. And it's pretty straightforward and it's pretty exciting. So I will not be in the job market in 2022, unfortunately. So so push that back. The latest until 2023 to give me a chance to get in. But no, it's good. It's showing that there's definitely an emphasis coming from the Department of Homeland Security. So DHS has a new recruitment system dubbed the Cybersecurity Talent Management System, or CTMS. It's launching amid a tight labor market for cybersecurity professionals who are in extremely high demand and can therefore command big salaries. So they're talking about filling 150 priority roles by 2022, and the salary ranges can go from the upper limit of the vice president's salary, which is $255,800. To an upward limit under certain circumstances of $332,100. They're just trying to pull in talent. This will help them manage that talent better and keep people. And they also talk about pulling a diverse and experienced pool of people into DHS. So, and this is just one organization, right, in the government that's in charge of our critical infrastructure. So be on the lookout for other organizations who may also use the system or who may build their own systems. But regardless, they need us and they're willing to pay us a lot of money. So I don't know if that'll be typical, right? $250,000 is a lot of money. Best believe that's not you breaking into cyber, jumping into a $250,000 job. It's for seasoned talent, right? They're trying to pull talent from corporations. They're trying to pull talent that's been around for a very long time to protect our infrastructure. But with that being said, if that is the upper limit, like for those of us who are hitting the job market, that's not bad. You know what I mean? Like we'll be somewhere in the close to six figure, if not the six figure range. So I'm all for it. How do you feel about this, LeVon?
Yeah, I think it's right up a lot of people's alleys. I'm imagining, because the salary range here is pretty nice, to say the least. I think it's a great initiative that they're putting together, trying to get people into the focused around cybersecurity, getting them on the DHS, getting them within that organization. I think it's a great thing. Obviously we're big proponents for cybersecurity, and I think that the more people, the more things like this that are out there that kind of entice people to jump on these cybersecurity jobs, the better it is. Hopefully this will kind of help, like you kind of briefly mentioned, that it can help maybe kind of affect other organizations, like their pay scales when it comes to the cybersecurity jobs. And like you said as well, I mean, of course, this can't be something that, I mean, it's most likely not going to be somebody that just got into the cyber field, or just, maybe just freshly graduated, high school or college, or got a couple certifications. They may not give you this pay range, I'm imagining, unless you have some, great experience behind you, or you have some some extra qualifications. But I mean, this is pretty nice. I mean, I can't be mad at this. it makes me question like, I wonder what kind of what the qualification for these jobs are. Maybe maybe I have to put my hat in there somewhere. No,
Right.
no. But I'm really happy where I'm at. But nonetheless, I mean, this is great. I love to see these opportunities come up, and hopefully this will bring a new wave of cybersecurity professionals hopping into the arena to try to land these jobs. So. Yeah, I don't think I have much more to say, but I mean, hopefully we see more of this, and hopefully we see other companies kind of try to sweeten the pot so that they don't get left behind. I mean,
Right.
I think cybersecurity and IT in general is a pretty popular career field, and I know there's a lot of demand. So whether it's cybersecurity, or whether it's like other engineering, architecture, admin work like that, I'm sure that hopefully there'll be an uptick as a result of things like this. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing more jobs like this pop up, opportunities like this pop up for other career fields or other cyber fields or what have you within the U.S. So it's pretty cool. It's a good move by the DHS. And
yeah, definitely. So they're looking for incident response, risk analysis, vulnerability detection and assessment, intelligence and investigation, networks and system engineer, forensics, and software assurance. So if you are in one of those fields or thinking about going to one of those fields in the near future, they're definitely looking for you. And that's across the board, right, when it comes to the government. So whether it be DHS or another organization. So definitely check it out. I definitely will be looking more into it just out of curiosity. I don't know if any of these jobs are in the area I'm thinking about going into, but I would assume if you are in the North Capital region, so that DC area or somewhere else that's a tech hub that has one of these organizations nearby, might be for you. So
yeah, and I was going to say
put
as
all
well.
the descriptions in the link. Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, no, that's a good idea. No, I mean, I was going to say that I think this is just kind of throwing it out there, but I mean, being a part of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, I mean, that's like, I mean, it has to be one of the higher echelon of places that you can work for, especially in the cyber field, to be a part of that organization. And I'm sure you're going to be like a part of some big deal, like, I don't know, investigations or projects or what have you. That would be like I don't know how you want to phrase how somebody would phrase it, but having that like on your resume as something that you've done before. I mean, you could land any other job after that if you decide like, hey, I want to branch out and do something else. I think you'd be you'd have that gold star on the resume to say the least. So,
You play remember Revo? They're gone now.
That's right.
I did that.
I did that, right? When I was working for the DHS, I shut them down.
So yes, that will definitely give you a pop on your resume, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, I thought that was interesting. I'll put all descriptions and links in the article for those who are interested. From what I can find, I'm sure there's more to come, right? So we'll talk about it again in the future. But throw your hat in the ring. So
get that money.
All right. Yeah, get that money. So with that being said, stay safe, stay secure. Oh, I skipped a bunch of stuff. Wait a minute.
Oh, yeah. Don't forget.
I'm rusty.
No, that's all right. That's all right.
Like, share, subscribe. Hit us up Monday through Friday. Definitely continue to tune in. Tomorrow's topic will also be revolving around something the government is doing. So it's pretty cool. LeVon will be leading that one. Definitely tune in for Thursday's episode. Like I said, we'll have Jarvis Bryan on. He's up and comer in cybersecurity. I thought it was really good. And then Friday, everything else. So stay tuned. And now I can say, hit the website, www.theothersideofthefirewall.com. Get to all our social medias. You can hit me up personally. I'm at RyRy Security Guy. That's RYRY Security Guy. And you, LeVon?
Hit me up on Twitter Twitters at LeVon Maynard.
There it is. Now you can say stay safe and stay secure.
Take care.